Hi there, good morning, happy Thursday. So it's been a while na wala akong post. Um, Something happened. I don't wanna share more about it. But anyway, I just wanted to kumustahin kayo. Kumusta? Okay pa ba? Almost Friday na. So makapagpahinga na tayo for tomorrow. But since meron pa tayong 2 days left for the work week, so I guess kahit pa rin tayo, but I just wanna check in kung okay ka ba, check yourself, okay ka pa ba, anong mga kailangan mo. So if you need to ask for help, diba? And most importantly, ask for guidance from the Lord kung anong mga dapat mong gawin. I-lead ka sa kung saan ka man dapat for today. So I guess yun lang ang ating today, thoughts for today. So again, uh, ingat, good luck, and God bless sa'yo. Annyeong, mwah.